Introducing the TVS Service Pod, a compact, movable, dealer-operated workshop built right inside the campus. Designed within a 20 by 10 feet container, this plug-and-play micro-workshop features 3 service bays, dedicated tools, parts storage, and a digital front desk, delivering efficient and seamless operations. Powered by battery-operated tools, the service pod enables zero pollution and zero noise, creating a cleaner and quieter work environment. With dry wash technology, it eliminates water consumption, making it a truly sustainable service solution. Employees can conveniently book service appointments through WhatsApp or digital platforms, drop their vehicles during work hours, and continue their day uninterrupted. The entire journey is powered by digital operations, from booking and digital job cards to real-time status updates and seamless billing. Built for productivity, the service pod delivers quick service, minor repairs, and periodic maintenance through a streamlined workflow. Faster turnaround, zero travel, complete convenience. TVS Service Pod, smart, sustainable, convenient. Redefining service right where it matters.